Welcome to Learn Self. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install NetData monitoring tool on Rocky Linux 9.2. NetData is a free and open source monitoring tool that monitors various services and system performance in real time, including CPU usage, disk activity, bandwidth usage, and more. The web-based interface allows user to easily monitor all aspects on one page. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. Now I am using Rocky Linux 9.2. Next, I am going to install Apple repo by using the following command. Apple repo has been installed successfully. Next, I am going to install record packages for NetData by using the following command. Press Y and hit enter to continue. Our NetData installation has been completed. Now I am going to enable and start the NetData by using the following command. Now I am going to check the status of NetData by using the following command. NetData is in active and running state. Next, I am going to allow NetData port on firewall by using the following command. Next, I am going to reload the firewall by using the following command. Firewall reloaded successfully. Now go to the web browser and search the IP address with the NetData port. This is the dashboard of NetData. By this way, you can install NetData on Rocky Linux 9.2.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.